Yeah, man. First, I got a couple that I got pulled up right now. You see me, that we're gonna check out that I think you guys was gonna be interested in. You see me, so we're gonna check that out. You see me, I say, gang, the first one we got actually is an artist that's been gone for a little minute. You see me, I say, some people say, yo, Blood Clean, Byron Messiah took his shine. We don't know how I go on, thief in style, all type of stuff. We don't know how I go on, but yeah, Jeff Fullyauto is back in the place, man, back in the building. Been a minute, man. I wonder where Jeff gone now. You see me, what in Japan couple, is an hour or a couple minutes ago, entitled Chip. I want to check it out, so where dog I deal with. Jeff, it's been a minute in the dog. I just got to do a where are you, and then you see me, the ask all the day in the dog, big man thing. But yeah, we got Jeff right now, the one name Fully. Yeah, man, Jeff, the one name Fully. Yeah, Jeff Fullyauto, the one name Chip. We'll check it out, gang. Let's jump right in.
Chip, 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 Jeffrey. Bruv, yo, hands man.
I hope Jeff no come with no fuck you know, cause it's been a minute.
Chip, I saw we chip, I saw we move, I saw we bad. I wear the liquor, I wear the booze, I wear the girl.
Whoa, alright. Well, that sound vibesy.
Me a dirty boy, no. Me no know my body count. Too much calorie, me a fuck. After me go get a break.
Okay, I'm like I wanna start off, gang. What do you say?
Everybody have a cut. Yeah, man, I saw Jeffrey Tan, and I saw it, I forgot. Hunts, man, you know we cheap. We don't write it up yourself. Yeah, some niggas skill. If you ever see what talk, he might travel with a blick. Be nearly parabellum, my
me like the one full of vibes. Me not lie, Jeff. Come here.
Ever see the clip there? When I been up, so. Chip, chip, chippy, chip, chip, chip. Hold them yellow ritzy biscuit. One fling dick and a lick of me skin. Chinese looking girl lick of me chin. Fuck by a man, my love a lick of mischief.
Oh, boy, clean. Oh, by a man, me love a lick of mischief. Hey, boy, Jeff.
Kelly bird, I say you in a sitting with me. Small body, but I saw she titty did big. Jeffrey want go in a grippy grip bad.
Small body, but I saw the titty did big.
I saw with chips, so with the things, I saw with bad. I with the liquor, with the booze, I with the gal. Them in my mood, look on my drip, look on my swag. I saw my dance, I saw my move, I saw my rock.
Dog a beat cocky like he's still in school, I think uniform and shit, man.
So cool, I'm 22, me a the man. Mix up a John Paul with the million. Smell more before you see me where I'm at, you're not for axe. Like A4. Me a dirty boy, no. Me no know my body count. Too much calorie, me a fuck. After me go get a broke.
Easy, man. So me a dirty boy, no. Me no know my body count. But clean. After me get me. Oh,
the million smell more before you see me where I'm at. You're not for
it's mad. One thing more I wanna try.
Me a dirty boy, no. Me no know my body count. Too much calorie, me a fuck. After me go get a broke. Everybody have a cut. Yeah, man, I saw Jeffrey Tan. And I saw it, I forgot. Hands, man, and no chip. When I write it up as
yeah, man, this man. Yeah, man, Jeff. Yeah, man, this word forwarding, but yeah, man. If you was gonna come back, Jeff, you came back the right way. Why if you come back? If you was gonna forward back, you see what I say? You forward back the right way. You see me? You forward the right way, my G. No cap.
Cut, yeah, man, I saw Jeffrey Tan, and I saw it, I forgot. Hands, man, and no chip. When I write it up, I saw. Yeah, so many niggas skill. If you ever see what talk, he might travel with a blick. Be nearly parabellum, if you ever see the clip there. When I been up, sweet. Chip, chippy dip,
chippy dip, chip. I want to do. Hey, I hope TJ no start beef, you know. Or the chip talk, you know. You know, say TJ name Chippy, you know, but yo, Jeff? Yeah, come on.
If you ever see what talk, he might travel with a blick. Be nearly parabellum, if you ever see the clip there. When I been up, sweet. Chippy dip, chip. Bitch, then skip, dip. We not talk, we not do none of the lippy business. Big cigar.
No, sir, we not talk, we not do the lippy business, brother. You see me? You get that means now where I go run up and more, bro. Come on.
When I been up, sweet. Chippy dip, bitch, then skip, dip. We not talk, we not do none of the lippy business. Big cigar, not the little fit seat. Click, pow, that thing you have a switch feet. On a skin teeth, cause you will end up.
Man, click, pow, that thing you have a switch feet, brother. Don't think I don't lick a pie. You don't lick a pie, no 1, no 2. None of that, bitch, come in.
Click, pow, that thing you have a switch feet. On a skin teeth, cause you will end up at 6 feet. Answer big bitch, anywhere we push a big piece. How you can't.
Pop, we no skin teeth, cause you will end up 6 feet, dog. You see me? Bomb, big, man, we are big meat. Hey, Jeff, come on.
Sick on the little fit seat. Click, pow, that thing have a switch feet. Gonna skin teeth, cause you will end up at 6 feet. Answer big niche, anywhere we push a big piece. How you can't see we even through the windshield.
Anywhere we pull up a big beast and you can't see we through the windshield. I told you that. So you don't know who in this, me G. I can't. Hey.
Anywhere we push a big piece. How you can't see we even through the windshield. And so we cheap.
Chat, what y'all think about this one? This song
The
is mad.
evidence they on it full of lipstick. Can't show you no man no fi see me big. Me a dirty boy no, me no know my body count.
Hey, easy. That hook ya. This Jeff find a hit, you know. Jeff find a hit. Every nigga gonna be singing this shit. No cap, bro. This gonna be in a party. This gonna be crazy, gang.
You
Come
no
on.
man no fi see me big. Me a dirty boy no, me no know my body count. Too much gal me a fuck. After me go get a broke, everybody have a cut. Yeah man I saw Jeffrey Tan, and I saw it I forgot.
After I'm broke. Go. Get up. Lift up. I want to hear man what you there about. You know, no TV. No, lift up, man. Uber there.
After me go get a broke, everybody have a cut. Yeah man I saw Jeffrey Tan, and I saw it I forgot. Ants man you know it cheap, we no write it up I saw.
Boy, you know it cheap. We don't write it up. Hey, this mad. Jeff. Come on, man. You have to get to Jeff, bro. If he was going forward, this is all you need to forward. You can't go for so long and I'll come back with that hit. This year, I got mad. One thing about on the chat. Come on. Dark throat, me gang. That mafia. What do you say about the one day? But dog, them in the chat now. How go on? Everybody in the chat now, what do I deal with? Big up on the damn self. Who in the chatter? Yeah, man. See everybody. 48K TJ, big up yourself. Daridan, big up yourself. Buying Target, big up yourself. Keys, me J, go on, big up yourself. Yeah, man, me J. Yeah, man, as soon as I came in. Crystal, Richard, big up yourself, Crystal. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, as I started the video, yeah, man, as I said, yeah, man, RIP to DJ Global, you feel me? Prayers to Cayman 6. You see me, I say, we want some growing global music that I haven't reacted yet, chat, in the requests, you see me? And some Cayman videos that I haven't requested, I haven't reacted to yet. Drop requests in the chat so we can do them, you know what I'm saying? Just to show support and condolences, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So drop on the request, gang. We're going to do that. Once again, RIP to DJ Global, bro. Just the other day, I was doing a reaction and I was like, yo, DJ Global, bro, is like, he's putting in work for the culture in Trinidad, bro. Like, all of the big song, them, you see me, you see glowing global behind it, bro. So I was like, yo, DJ Global putting in his work, bro. And just the other day, also, when I did the last video with Cayman, I'm like, yo, Cayman 6 is really turning out to be one of my favorite artists out of the 6, out of the Trinidad 6. I don't have 6 a yard. You see me? So I was just on I was on stream and I did a reaction. I was like, yo, Cayman 6 turned out to be one of my favorite artists out of 6 in Trinidad, and damn, then this happened, bro. And then DJ Global too, bro. I think like Trinity music took a big hit right there.